Hello there, lovely people. I'm always happy to be with you. I'm always happy to come on board to have a conversation with you by this through this little or small media. So right now you're watching beautiful back to school hairstyles for black kids, October, November cornrows. Yes, very beautiful and trendy styles, especially now that most of the schools all over the world are now picking up little by little. That is opening up for students or young girls, such as what you're seeing here, go back to school. So with this comes the need for beautiful and trendy styles for them, because everybody wants to look unique and look happy at the end of the day, especially with the activities that have happened this few months. Yes, and very soon this year will be ended. Yes, by God's grace we will all witness the end of the year. So be sure to view this beautiful hairstyle for your little girls. Yes, and at the end of the day, as usual, choose a style. Yes, choose something that will make that child stand out. And keep it there with us by subscribing to this channel. It's Trendy Styles Forever. Trendy Styles Forever. It's all about the trends. Yeah. So keep it there with us till the next video. You take care, and thank you for viewing as usual. Thank you all subscribers to this channel, and thank you for wanting to subscribe. You that is viewing for the first time. So till next video, you take care and thank you. Bye.